mga beshies, mga inday, at mga dudong. Welcome to my channel, Tonitimevlogs. And before anything else, gusto ko magpasalamat sa tanang mga beshies, sa tanang mga inday, at tanang mga dudong na ni-subscribe sa atong channel. We just hit 1,000 subscribers! Yay! And thank you so much kay loyal kaayo mo sa atong channel. And I'm very happy na daghan na kayo mga interactions karon sa ako ang mga videos. Thank you so much. And I hope na continue gihapon mo mag-support na ako ug dili mo hawa sa akong channel. Okay? Salamat kayo. And sa mga wala pa nakasubscribe sa akong channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell button sad para updated ka sa akong mga bagong na videos na i-upload. And also, don't forget to like my videos. Please leave a comment down below. And if you like my videos, you can also share them with your friends and family. Malipay jud kay kuan. Okay? So, once again, thank you so much mga beshies, mga inday for always supporting Tonitimevlogs. Okay? So, karon we have a very interesting topic. Remember mo sa akong first i-upload na reasons why your inner thighs are dark? Okay. So now, muna na siya ang part 2. Sa Tagalog pa, ang gibutangan sa title, paano pumuti ang iyong singit. And I think this is a girl's main problem. Ano yun kung main problem? Kay, isa ni sa mga dakong problema sa mga babae karon. Ito ang ilahang mga singit or sa Bisaya pa, kigol. Okay. So, nakahibaw naman sa factors nga nung itom na siya, karon tudluan mo na ko unsaon pagpaputi sa mga singit or kigol. Paano pumuti ang yung singit? Okay? So, actually, this is based on my very own personal experience. Kaya nga, I chose this para maka-inspire, and also I can help other women to have the same problem. So in this video, makikita nyo na ang dapat makita. I'll be showing you before and after photos of course, a singit. And I hope na after you see this video, andyan pa rin ay 1,000 subscribers. Okay? So, let's start. Okay. Ready? Go. So, gagawa tayo ng baking soda paste. Paano ba to gagawin? You need just 1 part water and 1 part baking soda. I-mix nyo lang to ng mabuti until makagawa ka ng isang baking soda paste. Dapat medyo sticky ang consistency para dumikit ito sa inyong balat. Ang baking soda paste ay ipahid sa inner thigh nyo or singit at least twice a day. Isa sa umaga at isa sa gabi. And that's every day for 30 days para makuha ang effect. Okay, so eto na siya. After 2 weeks, medyo naglighten na ang skin ko. And after 30 days, ang puti na ng singit ko. Okay, so ayan, nakita ninyo kung ano ang ginawa ko para pumuti ang singit ko. Gumamit lang ako ng isang product, and that is baking soda. Baking soda at water lamang. Ginamit ko yon for 30 days. Actually, gusto ko siyang i-challenge na 1 week lang. Kaya lang nung nakita ko yung effect, I was really not satisfied. So, I tried it for 2 weeks. At nakita nyo yung naman sa video na medyo may pagka-dark pa rin. And so, ayun. Tinuloy-tuloy ko na for 30 days. And that's 1 month. And minimaintain ko na siya ngayon until now. Yung baking soda kasi meron talaga siyang effect sa akin. So, medyo siguro yung iba sa inyo medyo nagtataka bakit baking soda at water lamang. Eto, gumawa kasi ako ng research. I mean, my own personal research kasi iba-iba tayo ng skin type. Ako, medyo may pagka-sensitive yung skin ko at very, yung ano niya, hindi siya ganun ka-thick. Medyo, madali lang akong magka-bruise or something. So, nag-research ako kasi yung iba gumagamit ng combination ng baking soda at calamansi or baking soda with lemon juice, walang iba, baking soda and water. What I found out from my research is that meron kasi tayong acidity level bawat tao. So, sa akin, I tried baking soda with calamansi. What happened is, imbes na pumuti siya, nag-darken siya. So, para siyang nasunog. So, hindi yon effective sa akin. So, what works for me might not work for you. Okay, that's a disclaimer. Kasi sa akin talaga na-work ang baking soda with water at hindi nasunog yung balat ko. So, for those who wants to try, this is trial and error kasi. Whatever beauty products that you're using, it's trial and error. So, yun nga, what works for me may not work for you, or what works for me may work for you. But I recommend if naghahanap kayo ng affordable product to help you lighten your inner thighs or singit, you can use baking soda. Okay? So, sana nakatulong tong video ninyo, especially for those women who have dark inner thighs or singit. Buy baking soda, nabibili to kahit saan. Just baking soda and water. Try it. I guarantee you, meron talaga siyang good effect. If hindi kayo hiyang sa baking soda at water, you can use baking soda and calamansi or baking soda with lemon and make it into a paste. Okay? So once again, this is Tonitimevlogs. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to click the like button and then share it with your friends or family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well and click that bell button para updated ka sa mga new videos ko. Okay? So once again, mga beshies, thank you so much for watching. Inday ang mga nadudong. God bless you. Have a great day. See you. Bye!